We're with Ryan Tegnelia. Ryan is a criminal defense attorney in San Diego, California. He's agreed to answer an online question that was posted. This one specifically related to theft crimes. With that said, Ryan, let's go into the question that was asked. This question was from Susan. Susan says, I was caught shoplifting. It was a nice store, so it's a good amount of money. If I go to jail, I'll lose my job and will be in even bigger financial trouble. Can I avoid jail time on a theft crimes charge?
Okay, well, the very short answer to that question is yes. On all but the most serious crimes in California, it's possible to avoid jail time. I think more specifically what you mean is it possible for you to avoid jail time on your shoplifting case? And based off of the facts that you gave me, it's certainly a possibility. You said it was shoplifting from a department store, but a high-end one. Well, in California, we have a cutoff between petty theft and grand theft at an amount of money valued at $950 or more. And so even at the most high-end department store, any items you would have grabbed that could be, secreted on your person would probably not add up to that amount of money. Department stores tend to be very protective of items that can value up to that high. Also, what the judges and prosecutors look at when deciding sort of what level of punishment to apply to an individual case is, did the department store, the victim, rather, did they get their items back? Restitution is always a big issue in theft cases. We want to make sure that the victim is whole, so that whatever was taken from them, they got it back, whether it's money over a long period of time, or in your case, just items that were taken. We also look at the criminal history of the person, especially in theft cases. If you've been caught stealing before, that can greatly impact your case. If you haven't, avoiding jail time is much more likely. If the value is significantly lower than $950, and depending on what part of San Diego you were caught doing it, some courts will even offer you diversionary programs where you do some community service, you attend a shoplifter's course, things along those lines, and the case is just dismissed, which preserves your record. But again, that depends on what area of town it happened and the value of the merchandise that was taken. But nonetheless, obviously these cases are very fact specific with what was taken, who was it taken from, and how. And so it is important to talk to an attorney who's going to ask about the specifics of your case before they give you a more definitive answer about whether or not it's impossible to avoid jail time altogether.
Excellent. Well, thanks for your time. And if you have any other questions for Ryan, all you need to do is post them in the comments section below. Thanks, Ryan.
All right, thank you. And if you feel the need to contact me about your case, please give me a call at 619-577-0868. Thanks.